Welcome to IGI Tutorials. This is the first in a series on Amazon Web Services. Using your web browser, go to aws.amazon.com/free and click the Getting Started for Free button. Enter your email address, select I am a new user, and then click the Sign in using our secure server button. Fill out the login credentials form and then click Continue. Fill out your contact information, the security check, the checkbox beside the customer agreement, and then click the Create Account and Continue button. Verify your identity. Amazon will ask for your telephone number. Display a PIN number on the screen. Call your phone number and ask you to enter that PIN number on your phone. When you get the message, your identity has been verified successfully. Click the Continue button. Now select a plan. Select the basic one, as this will give you 750 hours a month of free service. Click the Continue button. Now that we have completed the account creation, we can start exploring web services. Underneath the thank you message, click Launch the AWS Management Console. Now go and check your email inbox. You will receive a message from Amazon support. This will contain several links. Keep all of these links for future reference. Click the Security Credential link. This will bring up the IAM Management Console, where you can manage your users, groups, roles, etc. We will go into more detail on this subject in a subsequent tutorial. Next, click the Resources link. This will take you to the main resources page. Again, we will provide more information on this subject in a subsequent tutorial. Return to the main console page. In the upper right corner, select under the My Account console, AWS Management Console. This will take us to the main Amazon Web Services page. As our first exercise, we will create an EC2 virtual server in the cloud. Click the EC2 button. To create our server, under the Create Instance section, click the Launch Instance button. Step 1. Choose the Amazon machine image. On the left-hand side, there is a free tier only checkbox. Select it. Then select the Microsoft Windows 2012 base. Step 2. Choose an instant type. Under the free tier eligible, there is only one type, so click the Review and Launch button. Free instances are not configurable, therefore we skip to Step 7, Review the Instance Launch. Click the Launch button. This will bring up the Security Key Pair dialog. Select Create a new pair, give the pair a name, click Download the key pair, and then click Launch Instance. Now we get the Initiating Instance Launch. Please do not close your browser while this is loading. When the launch status page is loaded, and you see the message your instance is now launching, click the View Instances button. When the instance state changes from pending to running, select our instance. Now the Connect button is enabled. Select Connect. In the Connect to Instance dialog, click Get Password. Pet peeve time. Why do I get the error box? Your password is not ready. It knew that the box wasn't ready, so why did it let me select the Connect button before it was ready? We'll talk about this in future tutorials on UI design. I digress. After waiting half an hour, as I was told to, I now can connect to my box. Once again, in the Connect to Your Instance dialog, click Get Password. In the Get Password dialog, you'll notice that we need to select the file that we created earlier containing the security key pairs. Make sure you keep these in a safe location in case you have to redo these things later. Select the Choose File button and navigate to where your file is selected. Click the Decrypt Password button, then close this dialog box. Now we can download the Remote Desktop shortcut file. Click the Download Remote Desktop File button and wait for it to complete. Open this file. Select the Don't Ask Me Again for connections to this computer button. Then click the Connect button. In the Windows Security dialog, copy and paste the password into the password box. Select to Remember My Credentials, then click the OK button. In the Remote Desktop Connection dialog, select Don't Ask Me Again for connections to this computer, then click Yes. We have now created our first server in the cloud. Once the desktop is loaded, click on the File Explorer icon to validate that we can see our machine. As you can see, we have our C drive available. Now we can go ahead and install software and do whatever else we need, as if this was a local machine. In the next parts of this series, we will create an application that uses a Dynamo database to store a name, a description, and a URL, and create an application that loads photos from a web service that we will create.